Young, ProTinkerToys.com. We out here with the Storm Chariot. This is one of our new items on our website, ProTinkerToys.com. And we're doing a field test right here with Frankie, and he's going to do some road testing for us. Okay, go, Frank, go, go, go. And this is a one battery. We're on the same battery, okay? So this was the battery out of the package, all right? So when you get it, this is how much power. Go through the water, Frank. Go through the water. Four-wheel drive. Over here, bring it over here. And this is the Storm. Okay, pretty durable. Just we're gonna clean it off, get it cleaned off when we're done. Always make sure you clean it off, but it's four-wheel drive. Go, Frank. All right, switch with Missy. Over here, Frank.
I'm stuck.
And that is the Storm Chariot. Four-wheel drive. Great deal. Great RC for first-time racers. ProTinkerToys.com.